ServSafe Manager 2026. Complete Study Guide. Temperature Danger Zone. 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Bacteria multiply fastest in this range. TCS foods cannot stay here longer than 4 cumulative hours. For example, chicken left at room temperature for 5 hours must be discarded. Hot and cold holding. 135 degree F plus or 41 degree F dash. Hot TCS foods must stay at 135 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Cold TCS foods must stay at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Check every 4 hours. For example, soup on a steam table must show 135 degree F plus at all times. Minimum cooking temperatures. 1. Poultry, 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. 2. Ground meat and stuffing, 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 seconds. 3. Pork chops, beef steaks, fish, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. 4. Eggs for immediate service, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. 5. Vegetables for hot holding, 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. 2-stage cooling. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2H, 70 degrees Fahrenheit 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4H. Cool from 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours, then from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit within 4 more hours. Total maximum 6 hours. For example, stock cooled in ice bath, stirred regularly, measured with calibrated thermometer. Cross-contamination. Pathogen transfer. Pathogens move from raw to cooked food, dirty to clean surface, or person to food. Prevent with separate equipment and proper hand washing. For example, use a red cutting board for raw meat and a green board for vegetables. Personal hygiene rules. 1. Wash hands for 20 seconds before starting work. 2. No bare hand contact with ready-to-eat food. 3. Cover cuts with bandage and disposable glove. 4. Tie hair back or wear hairnet. 5. Stay home with vomiting, diarrhea, jaundice, or fever. The Big 9 Food Allergens. Required disclosure. Milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy, and sesame, added 2023, must be disclosed to customers. For example, a customer asking about ingredients must receive accurate allergen information. Cleaning versus sanitizing process. 1. Scrape food residue from surface. 2. Wash with detergent and hot water. 3. Rinse with clean water. 4. Sanitize with chlorine, quat, or iodine solution. 5. Air dry, no towels after sanitizing. Sanitizer concentrations. Test strips required. Chlorine, 50 to 99 ppm for 7 seconds. Quat, 200 ppm for 30 seconds. Iodine, December 5, 25 ppm for 30 seconds. Test concentration regularly. For example, use a test strip from the kit to verify quat sanitizer in dish machine. HACCP principles. Hazard analysis. Critical control points. Identify hazards, determine critical control points, set critical limits, monitor, take corrective action, verify, and keep records. For example, cooking temperature is a critical control point, monitor every batch. Common foodborne illnesses. 1. Salmonella, poultry, eggs. 2. E. coli, undercooked beef, leafy greens. 3. Norovirus, sick handlers, shellfish. 4. Hepatitis A, contaminated water, sick handlers. 5. Listeria, deli meats, soft cheese. Top violations causing outbreaks. Improper holding temperatures, contaminated equipment, poor personal hygiene, inadequate cooking, and food from unsafe sources cause 90% of foodborne illness outbreaks. Exam day strategy. 1. Read each question fully, answers are often similar. 2. Eliminate 2 obvious wrong answers first. 3. Watch for absolutes like always or never. 4. Trust your first instinct, do not overthink. 5. You have 2 hours for 90 questions, average 80 seconds each. Final reminder. You need 75% or higher to pass. ServSafe Manager certification is valid for 5 years in most states. Most failures come from temperature confusion and allergen knowledge gaps.